Hey guys, it's your girl Alicia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here today with my little brother Tajil, and we're gonna do the sibling tag. So if you want to learn more about the both of us, stay tuned and continue watching this video. Alright, so for the sibling tag, the first question is, who is the oldest? I am the oldest. I'm 26 and
12.
woohoo! Alright, and number 2, what do you like and dislike about your sibling? What do you like and dislike about me? Okay, you don't dislike anything. What do you like about me?
Sharing, caring.
Say it louder.
Sharing, caring, loving.
Okay. What I dislike about him is when I ask him a question or talk to him, he never responds. Like I have to ask him over and over and over again, or call his name over and over and over again to get at least a murmur out of him. That shit I dislike. What I like about him is he's very caring. He always makes sure I'm good, and yeah, like he'll do anything that I ask him to do. Like so yeah. 3, what do you and your sibling have in common? You have the same last name. You have the same dad. What else do we have in common? Same bum. Same bum. What else do we have in common? Yeah, part of us have the same blood in our system, stuff like that. Yeah. Okay, number 4, funniest memory. Okay, funniest memory. Okay, no. Funniest memory would have to be
And I got
so if you've been watching, good evening. If you've been watching, you would have seen like my first set of, I think it was my first set of Jamaica vlogs. Or was it when I came up from my grandma's funeral? Was it when I came up from my grandma's funeral? It was before that? Okay. So yeah, he got drunk. Like that night was hilarious. That was definitely the most funniest memory ever. But if you haven't seen that video, go watch it. I think it's called Jamaica Farewell. Yeah, go check it out. Number 5, most memorable argument. Oh, I remember one time. I don't remember what I got mad at him about, and like I didn't talk to him, and he wrote me like a letter and put it in my suitcase and told me to read it when I got home. And when I got home and I read it, I was like, oh my God, he was so sorry about what it was that he did. Like, he was so sorry. He made me cry. I was like, oh my God, how can I hate you? And he was so small because, like, I'm what, 13 years older than him? So, yeah, like, he was so tiny and he wrote the letter and it was like, he was so apologetic. Like, that was the most memorable argument. What about for you? What's the argument that you most remember? If there's one you most remember. Huh? You don't remember none? He doesn't remember those things. Alright, number 6. What do you and your sibling do for fun? We go to the beach. We ride in our daddy's landback. I'm not talking about no short distances. I'm talking about some far out places. What else? There's something funny. Yeah, we fight. What? We fight physically. We fight for the TV. We fight for the sheet. We fight for space on the bed. We fight for chargers, for space in the socket for the chargers. When and when not to use the fan. What else? Who's gonna cook?
No, to wash the dishes.
And who to wash the dishes? And I never wash dishes. Sorry, but Daddy always makes it for us. Just because, you know, I'm the only girl. I get away with a lot of stuff. Describe each other in one word. Lazy. Describe me in one word. Look how much words you know. You're in high school now. Look how much words you know. Describe me in one word.
What you lazy to?
Okay, so just say lazy. Describe me in
Ano
one
yung
word.
ano?
Okay. Describe me in one word.
Lazy.
All right. Number 8. Have you ever liked one of their friends? No. I don't even know if he has friends.
Yes.
You liked one of my friends? Who, Tiffany? Ah! You like Fluffy? How did I know you were gonna say that, yo? After you made that comment at the beach, what did you say? It looks like she got thicker, or she got put on weight. I was like, this guy's watching my. Ew! Oh my god, that's so funny. Okay, number 9, favorite inside joke. We don't have any inside joke. We don't have no inside joke. Ew, I still can't get over that. And then number 10, post or show an earliest photo of you and your siblings. I'll insert that here. Which favorite picture? You have a baby picture? You have a baby picture? Exactly. I'll insert it. I'll find a picture when we're young, right? And that's all the questions for the sibling tag. 10 questions. We answered all of them. Was it as hard as you thought it was going to be? Huh?
No.
Whatever. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, and stay tuned for my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.
What's in the next 10 seconds? Another video? Shut up.